Right then, welcome to Hibbs Happy Hour. Happy Friday, everybody, and welcome to Happy Harvey Hibby as well. He's just looking outside. He's guarding from the flying badgers, aka magpies. So we'll let Harvey go now. Go get him. Here you go, it's a treat. Good boy. Hibbs Happy Hour is back. Harvey shakes. So what we're going to be covering this week, it is the one and only back to beer subscription. I've not done a beer subscription for quite a long time now. One, it's expensive. Two, I kind of get bored of the same beers, but this is possibly my favourite brewery of the past 5 years, and something that I've not had one bad IPA or beer from them. It's actually not too far from where I am. It's actually in North Wales. It is the one and only Wild Horse Brewery, which is in Llandudno. Now, I've not actually had chance to call in to their brewery, but they have sent me a little card where you get a free pint, and I got a really good offer. I think I got 15% off here, and it is to actually celebrate 11 years of Wild Horse. And I really like this tasting guide of the beers you've got. So yeah, I had a couple of these already just over this week while I've been playing football. I've had the Buckskin Lager, which is a 4.5% core Pilsner style lager brewed by Czech hops, crisp, floral and refreshing. Not really a lager lover, but I do like one after a game of football or something, just because it's quite thirst quenching, but it's actually not like a standard lager. It's really nice. And then I've also had the Llandudno Pils, which is a West Coast Pilsner, 5%, and it's a pale lager brewed with the vibrant modern hops for bright pineapple, citrus and stone fruit profile, finished with a long refreshing bitterness. That was absolutely really good, really nice. I did prefer that to the Buckskin, which is their signature lager. But yeah, so just to cover the pack, they send you a nice little flyer here, sent you a couple of nice little stickers as well, and then yeah, I really do love the beer mat that they send. Nice to use that. So yes, now I'm just going to go through some of these, but I'm also going to do a tasting. I'm obviously not going to drink all of these at once, but the one that I'm going to drink today is the Digital Age Analogue Heart, which is the West Coast IPA. That is 6%. The strongest of these is actually the Special 11 DIPA. I had this yesterday and it was sensational. Now this one is done to celebrate the 11 years that they've been around, and they've actually done it with their good friends, the Rivington Brewing Company. Now if you've not tried their beers either, they're absolutely fantastic. Now, a good friend of mine, Emlyn, is the one person who actually introduced me to Wild Horse. And yeah, they are absolutely amazing. I mean, it is my favourite brewery. So I'm going to pour this into my Dartington beer glass, which is my favourite. Look at that. Beautiful. It's got a really nice sort of floral notes. I can taste, I can smell pineapple there. So this is brewed in collaboration with our long-time hop partners and friends at Yakima Chief Hops. Expect a lean, crisp and assertive hopped West Coast IPA bursting with citrus zest, tropical fruit, ripe stone fruit and flashes of berry, all grounded by a classic piney, resinous bitterness. That sounds right up my street. So yeah, happy Friday everyone. Wow, that's a real sucker punch, and it's punchy, but it's not too punchy. It's just nice, really refreshing. I'm a really big fan of that. I do love the IPAs. The Indian Pale Ales are absolutely fantastic. This is really good. Yeah. I give that a solid 9 out of 10. That's really good. Definitely be trying that again. Now, I've tried that one because it's the one I've not tried before. No, I haven't. I've not tried this before. This is the Serpent and the Worm, a Continental Blonde, 5%. This one is a fairly new one, and I did have this in the last order, the Quarry of Colour. This is absolutely brilliant, really tropical, and it's a lovely pale ale, and that's 4.5%. Now, this one is the classic. This is an absolute It's now one of the all-time classics for Wild Horse Brewery, and it's the Nakota, and it's a session IPA at 3.8%. Not too strong, really nice. And then you have the Tide by Tides. This is a new one. It's a New Zealand Pilsner 4.8%, and it's to mark International Women's Day 2026. Yes, looking forward to trying that. Yeah, so it's just to celebrate International Women's Day 2026. And then this one is absolutely one of my favourites. It's the Fatlamp, and it's a pale ale. Quite a strong one, 5.4%, and that is absolutely tremendous. It's really floral, really citrusy. It's got pine ahead of a firmly bitter finish, and that's brewed with Mosaic, Simcoe, and Weymouth hops. Fatlamp is a full-bodied, hazy pale, balancing flavours of tropical fruit, citrus and pine. So yeah, that's absolutely fantastic. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link below just to for the website, so you can go on. I am not sponsored by them by any means. And actually looking at some of these beers here, I can see that I've not received some of the other ones, but obviously as part of a pack, you can't have all of them. But it's actually missing my favourite one, which is the off season, which is the hoppy red ale. That's absolutely brilliant. Also, a really big favourite of mine is the Emerald, and that is it's like a green one there. That's absolutely fantastic. And yeah, the tram car as well. So there's 3 on here which are absolute classics. I would have every time. But then again, it's nice to try some of the new ones. You know, I've not tried this before, so you know, but actually I probably would have preferred some of these traditional IPAs rather than the lagers. So I'm more of an IPA fan. Yeah, anyway, so really hope you enjoyed this video. Please do put your comments below. What is your favourite brewery? What's your favourite beers from Wild Brewery Company? And yeah, so please also do subscribe. Lots of love and passion going into this show. Please check out my playlist for other beer subscriptions that I've reviewed over the years. So enjoy everyone, take care, and enjoy your weekend.